Okay, gotta take a recording. Gonna get on my e-bike here, take you around the neighborhood. This is the post-Hurricane Milton review of our neighborhood in South Venice. Alright, we're gonna start off at our house here. I'll give you a review when I come back of our house, which suffered no damage other than we have no power, but that's a brand new roof from last year, which was care of Hurricane Ian, and our storm shutters on front of the house fold down. They call them Key West shutters. They provide a nice shade, and you can pop them down with ease in these situations. All right, get on the bike. Go down our street. We live on Porpoise Road, which is like a dolphin, porpoise. Another video again here. I need to clean it up. That's just ponding water that was not surge water. Neighbor walking their dog. Hi. And we're going to take a right and a left. We'll go to the boat ramp where we used to put our boat in, which is right on the intercoastal. On the other side is a little barrier island in the Gulf of Mexico. I'm going to stop on the top of this hill here. I don't know. Oh, actually right there. You can actually see the Gulf of Mexico right through those houses right there. Right through those houses. Okay. Yep, see them right there. Gulf of Mexico. All right. All right, keep on going. Right here is the water line for where the surge came up. And it did not get announced. You were lucky 2 times. And a lot of this debris was from the previous storm, and these houses were underwater for the 2nd time in 2 weeks. I think it was higher this time by 2 feet, neighbors said. And this is the launch for your boats here. There's also a ferry boat that goes across to that barrier island. There's a beach over there. But these are all underwater by at least 3 to 4 feet, but they're all trying to clean up. I don't think these people have been back. And debris is really floating around from when Helene was here. You can see the wind had blown in. I had noticed a lot of garage doors were blown in from the wind, 100-mile-an-hour wind, 100 plus. We were just probably the southern edge of the eye wall of the hurricane. Yeah, I don't think these people have been back. I think they were gone for the summer, actually. It's hot as hell here in the summer. They boarded up their blown-in garage door there. There's more debris. Eventually, FEMA trucks will come and pick this all up. Hi. Then you just pile up your debris, and they'll come with these big claw trucks. We've seen it a couple of times already. I always liked this house, but it was high enough that it did not get affected by the surge. I'm just looping around here. This is an old beater house here. Somehow these houses seem to survive over the years. Of course, they're all concrete block houses, so kind of hard to destroy them. This one had water, I think, up to the bottom of the building, pretty sure. A lot of the debris had floated around. You could see you see things loose. It had floated. It wasn't wind that, well, wind might have blown it a little bit, but a lot of it was floated around. Well, it looks like they cleaned up their yard over there. Yeah. This guy I saw took his camper away. Ryobi, all right. All right. They cleaned up. Haven't been back. High water mark there. You can see that in front of the lawn. This one had a lot of floaters, a barrel, whatnot. Again. Oh, I forgot to take a picture of the camper back there and the boat that had floated around at the other yard. Might have caught it on the video. Oh, flipped over a shed. Alright. Back to the high road again. South Venice Boulevard. Looping back around. The water line. I'm going to go left. This is called Lemon Bay Drive. Lemon Bay is what's out there. Of course, there's a modern house built high, safe and high. Another modern house built safe and high, and that one there also. And the older houses, which are built on sea level. And debris. And this one had a dumpster from 2 weeks ago debris. 2 dumpsters. Another blown in garage door. Another nice house over there, built high. This guy, we were talking, this is like, we called it National Meet Your Neighbor Day. And he's actually got a little machine shop in his garage. He's talking about how he taught machining at the county school here. And there was a site here that was starting to build a house here. They're starting to put in those posts. It's probably going to be a tall house. But all the lumber, the big chunks of lumber, had floated away over here, over to this side. And there's another low area right there. So, right there, you see that big pile of lumber strapped together that floated over here. You can see the high water mark right here. And all the lumber, the big, I don't know what you call it, 6 by 6 or 8 by something. Pretty big piece of wood. Looping around. Back around, head back to the house. The weather is actually very cool. Typically it's 10 degrees hotter and much more humid, so it's been a relief, especially when we got no power. We're running on a generator, so we have not enough power to run the AC with the generator. Run everything else. Refrigerators are working, fans are working. For some strange reason, we have cable and internet, so we got Wi-Fi. Coming back up our street here. Somebody walking their dog. 2 dogs. Back by our camper neighbor here. He likes to go camping in his Class B and retired and going fishing everywhere. Doesn't tow that big boat, he does a little fishing boat. Another neighbor down here. dogs. Hello. I'm trying to use my GoPro. I'm doing my GoPro loop around the... You can hear that we're on the generator. Park my e-bike. It'll actually automatically turn on. My old van that I moved to Florida with. The RV that we're using for racing and camping, which I'm actually going to be selling. And we got this used toy hauler. And the old van still works, so we thought we'd put that back in service. Sorry for the loud generator. And the old race trailer still back there. And my Bat Cave, drag race and mechanical operations center. So I got my KZ 1500 drag bike here. The engines are up on the bench. Water did not come in. I got another generator. I might get that going. Maybe somebody in the neighborhood can use it. And my newer ex-Bob Carlson ZX14 drag bike. I was putting some new names on it. I actually repainted it after my accidents 2 years ago at Man Cup, so I may attempt to race it again. So, running out of room here. Out back, looks like the power lines are back up. They came in and that line was on the ground. My shed for my lawn equipment. We don't have any cellars here. Yep. My old racing trailer. My street bike that I put in here with the generator to keep it high as I could, just in case water did come. Generator time. Loud but works. This is one of my homemade panels over there in our pool. I tried to go in today, and I know you think it's crazy, but 79 degrees, and I thought it was really cold. But this is our place that nothing bad happened at all. I did put the air conditioning in this building because it is too hot to work in here in the summer. Alright, that's it for me. Very grateful that nothing happened. I thought for sure, especially after I saw the Hurricane Helene flooding down there, I thought this is going to be even worse. We're going to get flooded for sure. And it never happened. Also thankful that my sister Kathy took us in about 15 miles that way. We were in a safe place with family. It was really nice. Okay? See ya and talk to you later.